Channel width selection is one of the most consequential parameters in enterprise wireless design. The choice between 20 MHz, 40 MHz, and 80 MHz channels governs the trade-off between per-client throughput and aggregate network capacity. Wider channels deliver higher theoretical speeds but consume more spectrum. Every doubling of channel width increases the noise floor by 3 dB and halves the number of non-overlapping channels. In the 2.4 GHz band, there are only 3 non-overlapping 20 MHz channels. Using 40 MHz eliminates all non-overlapping channels and guarantees co-channel interference. In 5 GHz, 20 MHz maximizes channel reuse for dense deployments, 40 MHz balances throughput and capacity for offices, and 80 MHz suits only isolated low-density scenarios. The deployment tier framework: density needs 20 mmHz, balance allows 40 mmHz, isolation permits 80 mmHz. High-density venues like hotels and retail should use 20 mmHz. Always use 20 mmHz in 2.4 GHz, no exceptions. Set a maximum channel width cap in your wireless controller's radio resource management policy to prevent automatic escalation during off-peak hours. Read the full comparison at purple.ae.